Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quark Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Buick Enclave Essence ST. ST stands for Sport Touring, and it has a little bit of a design, some more design elements to it. ST badging right here. Of course, the Enclave is based on the same platform as the Chevy Traverse. So if you'll see the shapes kind of similar. A couple other little hints and stuff like that. Nice little storage cubby. I do love the two rear exhaust tips. They are actual exhaust tips. It's not like there's a tiny pipe and it is a part of the exhaust. It's pretty cool. That's something you'll find is becoming increasingly unpopular, is exhaust pipes that are actually functional. Nice back seat area. Tons of room, got a nice sunroof back here. And then, just for reference, I'll go ahead and climb out in the way back. I'm 5'9". I still got a pretty decent amount of room back here. You do have some USB charging on both sides. The two headrests, of course. Got some nice reading lights. You have your own vents. It's pretty cool. Definitely very roomy. You can move these seats up. I believe this one's pretty close to as far back as you can go. And you got nope. Getting in and out, super easy. Interior color is pretty special. It's known as dark galvanized with ebony accents. It's pretty cool. It's like a blue silver. I really like it. Total price for this one comes to $50,830 as it starts to rain. Here's your ebony accents. This shifter, I was always wondering where the Chevrolet Bolt shifter came from, or vice versa, and that's it. It's very BMW-esque, where park is here. You have a button to press for it. Neutral, hold it up, reverse, up and over, back to neutral, drive, and if you want to go into low mode, pull back, and then you just go back again. Okay, so it's auto retracting. Pretty quickly auto retracting too. Alright, without further ado, let's take it for a drive. In low mode, you'll notice you have paddles behind the steering wheel. So in low, you can use the paddle shifters for manual mode. It's pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and put it into tour mode. Take it out of tow haul. Steering's not bad at all. This isn't meant, it's not like your Focus ST, Fiesta ST, where ST means fast, fun, sporty. At the end of the day, it's a family SUV. But it still is a good amount of fun to drive. It's very luxurious. I'm a huge fan of them. I love this platform. Features the GM 3.6 liter 6-cylinder, which I'm also a big fan of. It's the same motor that's used in the V6 Camaro, so it's pretty good performance too. I think about 305 horsepower, give or take a little bit. But yeah, it is really nice. Auto dimming rear view mirror, of course. Auto start stop. Gets up to speed very nicely. These seats are super comfortable too. I could do a long haul in this car all day. And what's nice is it's not a lot of SUVs. Everything's very spread out. They try to design it to be as open air as possible. I like it because it's almost like a sports car. You have your center tunnel. You feel like you're sitting in the car, not like on the car, just driving. It's very sports car-like in that aspect, where it's extremely fun to drive, very easy. All your controls are nice and close to you. And I do believe it's slightly angled towards the driver, not by much. I don't even think it's a degree, but it's angled ever so slightly. Put it down into low mode. So it is the 9-speed that's also found in the Blazer. It's a great transmission, tons of fun. One thing with the 9-speed that I think a lot of people complained about, but I think it's a pretty cool feature. Well, not feature, but kind of quirk. Second gear and third gear are almost the same gear. I'll go ahead and demonstrate here. So I'm in second, 4,000 RPM. I'll go ahead and slow down to 4,000. Shift into third, 3,800. So you got 200 RPM difference between gears. When I first drove the 9-speed and was playing with manual mode or low mode, because it doesn't lock the car in the gear, essentially what it does is limits what gear it can shift up to. I was like, is it accepting my shift? You know, because it's just barely there. But no, it works. God, this car is good. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.